Hey Cryptoverse, welcome to this episode of Crypto Baptist. The show highlights everything about institutions getting into crypto. Today is May 21st, 2021, and I'm your host, Dan. Okay, so another rough day in the market. Bitcoin was heading down to the low 30s and also Ethereum down to the low 2000s. So a lot of volatility is back in the market, and as crypto investors, we should be used to this. Some of the FUD came from the American Families Plan Tax Compliance Agenda from the U.S. Department of the Treasury. So in here, they talked about ways how they can close the tax deficit. And one of the things that they were concerned about was people moving their assets into crypto economy to evade taxes. So they want to crack down on that. One of the things that they propose is stricter oversight on crypto companies and exchanges. And they also want to look at any transactions that are over the market value of $10,000. So similar to right now where every bank has to report any cash transactions over $10,000, they're looking at that too in the crypto space. Again, everybody should be paying their taxes. If you are tax evading, that's illegal. So, if you're doing that with crypto, then, you shouldn't. Coinbase is in talks to buy Osprey funds. They were the first to launch a Bitcoin ETF and the Polkadot ETF also. Not in the US, of course. University of Pennsylvania Wharton School of Business received a $5 million donation in Bitcoin from Ross Stevens. So he's the founder of NIDIG, and UPenn is where he got his PhD. So he gifted them in Bitcoin, right? FTX, the crypto exchange, is in the talks to receive about $400 million to $1 billion in funding. This would raise their valuation to $20 billion. So FTX, I heard a lot of good things about them, how they didn't go down when the other exchanges went down earlier this week. And looks like they're going to be doing about $400 million in revenue in 2021. From $85 million in 2020. So the $20 billion valuation doesn't sound too far off. And during the sell-off, Miller's fund is suggesting that they are, though they haven't confirmed that they bought or not, but they said they definitely like Bitcoin as it drops because they like Bitcoin overall. As you know, Bill Miller, he is a contrarian value investor. He invested in Amazon when people wrote it off. And here he is investing in Bitcoin as other people are trying to write it off. All right, in my opinion, that is bullish. All right, that's all I have for you today. Take care.